guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are on the last day of sneak peeks for our box of the month for August. I'm super excited for release day. I just love this box. If you're not on the subscription, now's the time to get on the subscription. We have 2 fall boxes coming out, one in August and the other one in September. Then we're gonna have our holiday boxes, and we're gonna have 2 of those as well. So beautiful boxes coming. So on August 1st, you can run over to the shop, and if you want to join the club, there's going to be a drop-down menu on the listing. You're going to click that and choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you into the club. You'll save 5% off your box, and you'll get your box mailed to you every 30 days from the day you purchased. So when you're over on the website, please read that listing. It has all the details about the subscription. So for the past 4 days, we have been revealing products. So go back to each video to see everything that's in this box. Today we're going to reveal our last stamp set. So the last stamp set in the box is this adorable, very beautiful stamp set. It's called Bloom with Grace, and I just love it. So sunflowers, we have pumpkin in there, and very pretty sentiments. When you grow wild, you bring life and beauty to all that surrounds you. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Thankful for you, and hello, friend. And then we've got this line here with this really beautiful floral cluster. I stamped that out, and I was going to play around so you kind of can get an idea what you can do with that. You can kind of make an area where you can put your sentiment in the middle, but we're going to do so. We're probably going to pair it up with this beautiful fall sunshine paper pad and maybe the ephemera. So if you haven't been watching the previous sneak peeks, go back to the sneak peeks. It has the same kind of thumbnail as this one, and check out all the cards that I've done. I made some really beautiful ones with this paper pad. So I'm going to try something. I love this pattern here. I'm going to do a square card. So I'm going to tack this down with some washi tape exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to inlay. So I'm going to do these nesting squares, and I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine just like this. We're going to play around. What I'm envisioning is I'm going to pop up each panel, and in the center I'm going to stamp out the sentiment here. So hopefully that will fit in there. So I'm going to tape this down, make sure that it's centered properly. Okay, I got all my little panels cut out, so let's work on stamping out our image. Since I want to color the sunflower with Copics, I'm going to stamp it with the Memento ink. But I think I want to stamp out the sentiment. No, I'll just stamp the whole thing in black. Okay, I'm going to grab some yellows and color up the sunflower. Got Y35. Okay, I am done with the coloring, and what I'm going to do, I think I might do some partial die cutting. So I'm going to die cut this part, run it through my my die cutting machine up to this point and then fussy cut the flower. Okay, so it only cut up to there, so now I'm gonna take my scissors and cut out the sunflower. Okay, so I want my sunflower to match this paper a little bit more, so I'm just taking out an orange, it's called Mineral Orange Prismacolor pencil, and I'm just going to bring some of that warmth to these petals. Okay, so I think that matches a lot better now. Okay, so we're gonna find a card base for this. Okay, I picked out the black card base. I think it looks striking with this, the centers of the sunflowers. So I'm gonna add the first layer down with glue. Then I got my second layer here on foam tape. And then I'm going to lay this one down flat. Okay, so I got my design all done. And now I have the foam tape on the back of this, and this is just going to go right in the center. And I'm going to glue the edges of the petals onto the frame. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here. We're going to center the frame. Okay, and now I want to add some glossy accents to the center of that sunflower. So I'm going to hold this down with my magnets. Isn't that a gorgeous card? Look at that. I love how the center is shiny. So that is the sneak peek for today. I hope you guys go back and watch all 5 videos. Come back tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Time for our hop. We'll have tons of inspiration for you, a giveaway, and the brand new release. So don't forget, we have the brand new stamp and die of the month, the brand new paper pad club, and the box of the month, all releasing on August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. Now, if you go to the shop now and you pick up something before the 1st, remember those are the July products. Those products are still in stock, so if you want to pick those up now, you can. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll catch you real soon tomorrow. Bye, guys. I think this card is gorgeous as it is, but I want to kick it up a notch and do some white faux stitching on this black card base. It's just screaming to me. I don't know if I should do it or not because I might totally just mess up this card, but I did take a picture of it just in case. But yeah, I want to do some faux stitching. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Okay, it didn't turn out bad. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks pretty cool. If you're gonna make this card, think about whether you like the stitching or not. I don't know, tell me down below which one you like better, with or without stitching. Okay, so I'm not happy with my wonky stitching. So what if I go in there and make a double wonky stitches and totally ruin this card? How about that? So let's try that out. It's only paper, hey. So we're gonna do a set of double stitching, and this is gonna go wonky wonky. Okay guys, did I totally ruin my card? Oh my goodness. Or did I save it? I don't know. Somebody help me.